Are you guys looking for a way to send bulk SMS at a very fair price, while also being very efficient so that you can focus more time and effort into your businesses? Well, I have a solution for you, and that is TextMagic, which also happens to be our sponsor for today's video, so thank you TextMagic for sponsoring today's video. So let's go ahead and actually check out this service. So all you have to do is check the link in the description and you'll be able to sign up to TextMagic for a free trial. Now by doing so, you guys will get a small credit to your account and you will be able to send out a few messages just as a tester. Now once you actually sign up to the account, right here, this is my account, and you can see you will find your balance at the top. Now if you want to add more balance, it is very simple. All you have to do is click buy credit, and from here you can actually select the amount that you want to load into your account. Now the more you load up, the more bonus you will also receive. So for example, if I were to load $50, I will get a bonus $10. So a total of $60 for the price of $50. And yes, you can use credit card or PayPal or even a wire transfer to pay for this credit. Now once you have a sum in your balance, it doesn't have to be too much, or if you're just on the free trial, you can still use all the amazing features listed here on TextMagic, which we'll go over right now. So under chat, you can see this is like the most basic feature of TextMagic. This is basically equivalent to your messaging app. All you have to do is enter the number you would like to text, and then after that you're able to actually send any text like so. So if we were to send this test message right here, you will see it will cost 4 cents to do so. Now you can see we can include upwards to 918 total characters, and right here we have a test message, and same thing, it is still 4 cents. So if you're just trying to have a conversation with your client or anything like that, you can just use this chat section. But now let's just say you wanted to send out a mass amount of text. Let me show you how you can do this, and you can actually use this for your dropshipping stores. If you are running, let's say, a Shopify dropshipping store and you're having a sale, you can use TextMagic for your SMS marketing, and you are able to send out a message to all the phone numbers you have collected for your store. Now getting that out of the way, now that you understand what this service is really for, let's actually go ahead and set up a mass messaging campaign, let's just call it. And yeah, so simply all we have to do is head over to contacts. Now under contacts, you can actually select new list, and from here just name it whatever you want to name it. I'm just going to put it as test. Click on save, and from here you are able to see it right there. All we have to do is select it once again. And from here you can go ahead and click on add contacts. Now from here you can do it like one by one, like so, or this is the more efficient way. If you have collected enough data from a spreadsheet, you can actually import that. So right here we can go ahead and actually import a Excel sheet, and right now we're just going to go ahead and click continue. Now you'll be able to select whether or not the numbers are all from a certain country. For me, I'm just going to leave it on the default, which is actually my country, where I'm from. Now if all your numbers aren't actually from the same country, you are able to select which countries your numbers are from simply by selecting this second option. Mine is all from Canada, so I'm just going to leave it like so. And then you can actually go ahead and select continue. Now you can actually see we created a lot of columns within that spreadsheet, but that's very simple to actually get around using TextMagic. All we have to do is select do not import, or you guys can label it under first name, last name. Now these two columns we do not want to actually import. This thing is going to be a phone number column, so all we have to do is actually select phone number. This one's going to be first name, and we just go ahead and select that column like so. You can decide if you want to leave email or not, and then once you actually select all the fields, all you have to do is click continue once again, and it will slowly import. Now after about a minute, you will see the import details have completed, and all we have to do is select continue once again. Now right here you can see under this list, we actually extracted all the information from our spreadsheet, and we have the correlating name with the phone number. Now to finish it up, simply select finish import, and all you have to do now is head over to compose. So under compose, you guys can see we can go ahead and select a list, and now this list right here is actually including all 16 numbers we imported. Now if you don't have a spreadsheet for it, you can also manually just add the numbers like so. However, that is not efficient whatsoever, so make sure you actually create that list. It's very simple, or you could do it on a Google Sheets. Same thing. You can also leave this as the default settings, or you can select a TextMagic number that will show up when these guys receive the text, it will be from this number right here or this number, whichever one you would actually like to go with. Personally, for me, I would just leave it under default, and you can actually just enter your message, which we're actually going to go ahead and actually create a template for. So let's go ahead and do that right now. So going under templates, all we have to do is select new template. Now you can name it anything you want. I'm simply going to put it as test once again, and you can say something along the lines of, hey, I am having a sale, check it out. Something along those lines. Now you can actually personalize this message so that it seems more direct to that person. Now to do so, all you have to do is actually insert a tag, and you can select any of these right here. So we can go ahead and actually place in a first name like so. Now once we actually have our name, our message completed, all you have to do is click on save and go back over to compose. Now next to the message column, select insert template and select the test one, and you can see hey, first name, I am having a sale, check it out. And because during that importing phase we actually included the first name within that list, essentially we'll actually have all those names that were on the list imported into this message right here under first name. Now to finish this up, all you have to do is click send, or you guys can actually select the schedule message option right here, and you can decide when this message is sent out. You can also preview the message before sending, so you guys can see the message will be like, hey, da 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 da, the name that you guys imported, I'm having a sale, check it out. So yeah guys, that's how you're going to send mass SMS with TextMagic, and that is actually very simple to do. Now once you actually get some responses, it will actually show up here under chat, and you can just talk to your clients like so if you so choose. As well, TextMagic offers an awesome analytics section where you guys can actually check out what actually happened within your account. You can see the messages sent and how much you actually spent on your marketing campaigns. So yeah guys, TextMagic, an awesome interface, simple to learn and use, and relatively cost efficient for you to run all your marketing campaigns using SMS messaging. Link will be in the description for you guys to check out TextMagic. Thank you once again TextMagic for sponsoring today's video. Also guys, if you haven't already, make sure you join our Discord server, which will be linked in the description as well. We have an awesome community that is constantly growing, so we're looking to expand even more. So guys, feel free to join up and have some awesome conversations over there. Also just wanted to thank all of you for being a part of the community. As you guys can see, we actually gained 3,390 subscribers in the year of 2021. And if you're not part of the community just yet, make sure you go ahead and change that by simply smashing that subscribe button. I'm looking forward to another great year with all of you, as 2022 we have a bunch of things planned, so you don't want to miss out on any of it. With that being said, thank you guys so very much for watching. Peace out for now.